Hi everyone! Today we're going to be making Sri Lankan style marshmallows. The ingredients you'll be needing are 2.5 cups of sugar,
some icing sugar,
any food coloring you'd like,
3/4 cups of hot water, we need 2 of these,
1.5 teaspoons of vanilla extract,
7 teaspoons of non-flavored gelatin,
some measuring spoons,
some pots and cups,
and last but not least, a mixer or a hand beater.
Now you're going to pour 7 teaspoons of your non-flavored gelatin. Now add 1 of your 3/4 cups of water into the gelatin. Make sure it's hot. Mix well.
Now that your gelatin mixture is set aside, you're going to have to move on to your sugar mixture. So you need 2.5 cups of sugar into a pan and add your 3/4 cup of water, hot water, and mix that on medium heat. Now that all the sugar is dissolved in the water, it should turn into a syrup and it should become sticky like this. So you have to cool that for 2 minutes and then add it to your KitchenAid mixer.
After your sugar mixture is cooled, add it into your KitchenAid mixture.
Or your hand mixer.
Then you're going to want to add your gelatin mixture and mix it until it's white and fluffy. That's going to be around 15 to 20 minutes.
After you mix for 3 minutes, you're going to have to add your 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Keep mixing.
Now you're going to add your food coloring.
And mix it for more time. After 20 minutes, your batter should be this thick. To test it out, take some, and this is how thick it should be.
Then you're going to take your batter out and then make sure to grease your pan before you pour it in so you're with butter and or greasing spray.
It's nice and thick.
Make sure to get all of it out, and then you're going to smooth it using a tool. Then you're going to smooth it out so you have nice, even layers of marshmallows. After you smooth it out, you can leave it out for 7 hours, or
You can put it in the fridge for 4 to 6 hours.
after 4 to 6 hours,
This is how your marshmallow should turn out to look like, not too sticky.
then you're going to want to add some powdered sugar at the top, and on your knife, make sure to have some powdered sugar on it.
When you cut it.
Make sure to sift it in so there's not any big chunks. Like so. Now you're going to want to cut around these borders.
With the knife covered in powdered sugar.
It's good to cover in powdered sugar so the edges of your marshmallows have powdered sugar on it. And then after you're done putting the border around, you're going to want to flip it over onto a pan with powdered sugar at the bottom.
Now that you've flipped it over, add powdered sugar on the sides and on the top.
Like so.
Make sure you cover every spot.
If yours is really sticky, you can add extra powdered sugar.
Now you cut it.
And then after you cut it, you can coat them in this powdered sugar. It might seem like a lot of powdered sugar, but you're gonna knock off a lot of it after.
Now you roll it into the powdered sugar. And then after, you're going to have to cut it individually and roll it into another powdered sugar. But it's going to turn out really good.
Now you're gonna cut it into small little pieces. If yours is really big like ours, you can cut it in half of a half. And you're just gonna dunk them and put them in powdered sugar like this, each individual piece, so it's nice and soft. And shake off the excess powdered sugar.
And put it onto a plate.
And you're gonna place it onto a nice plate like so. Make sure to do this with each piece so it tastes better. Now let's try them.
It tastes very fluffy.
They taste like the ones my mama brings from Sri Lanka.
Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye, guys.
Bye!